Hey everyone, welcome back to Cartech Explorers. Today, we're diving into the world of bespoke beauty with a car that's bound to turn heads and leave a lasting impression. Have you ever dreamed of owning a vehicle that's not just luxurious, but uniquely yours? Well, you're in for a treat because today we're reviewing a masterpiece of customization, the 2024 Akrapovic BMW XM. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The 2024 BMW XM, customized by the renowned Akrapovic, is a sight to behold. As we walk around this stunning machine, you'll immediately notice the custom body kit crafted from high-quality carbon fiber. This isn't just any body kit, it's designed to enhance the car's aerodynamics while giving it an aggressive and sleek appearance. The wide-body fenders add a muscular stance, making the XM look ready to pounce at any moment. Take a closer look at the unique design elements that set this car apart. The custom wheels, finished in a striking black and silver combination, perfectly complement the carbon fiber accents. And check out that rear spoiler. It's not just for show, it enhances the car's performance by providing additional downforce. Every detail, from the sculpted side skirts to the bold front splitter, is meticulously crafted to create a visual masterpiece. Moving inside, the interior of the Akrapovic BMW XM is where luxury meets personalization. The custom upholstery is nothing short of exquisite, with hand-stitched leather seats that offer both comfort and style. The attention to detail is remarkable, with contrast stitching that adds a touch of elegance to the overall design. But it's not just about looks. This car is packed with technological upgrades that elevate the driving experience. The head-up display projects essential information onto the windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, offering seamless connectivity and an intuitive interface. And for those long drives, the upgraded sound system ensures you'll be enjoying your favorite tunes in crystal clear quality. Not to mention, the heated and ventilated seats provide maximum comfort in any weather. Now, let's talk performance. The heart of the 2024 Akrapovic BMW XM is its powerful engine, which has been tuned to deliver exceptional performance. Under the hood, you'll find a beastly engine that produces impressive horsepower and torque, ensuring thrilling acceleration and top-notch handling. When you're behind the wheel, the enhancements made by Akrapovic become evident. The exhaust system not only improves performance but also adds a deep, resonant exhaust note that will make your heart race. And if you're curious about the latest tech, the green light detection system is a nifty feature that helps you navigate through traffic with ease. So, what do I think about the 2024 Akrapovic BMW XM? In a word, phenomenal. The exterior design is bold and aggressive, making a powerful statement wherever you go. The interior is a sanctuary of luxury and technology, offering comfort and convenience at every turn. And when it comes to performance, this car is a thrill to drive, with enhancements that take it to the next level. What impresses me the most is the attention to detail in the customization. Akrapovic has truly outdone themselves, creating a vehicle that stands out in a crowded market. The blend of performance, luxury, and bespoke design elements makes this BMW XM a unique and desirable car. In summary, the 2024 Akrapovic BMW XM is a perfect example of what happens when craftsmanship meets innovation. It's a car that not only looks stunning but also delivers an exhilarating driving experience. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Cartech Explorers for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. And tell me in the comments, what kind of customization would you choose for your dream car? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.